Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to be doing a little science and art experiment that we're going to see how the ink from markers like this moves through a coffee filter when you add water. So you need coffee filters like this. You need some washable markers like Crayola markers. You need some wax paper and you need a cup with some water. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to make your very own watercolor paper to make flowers out of. Have fun! So first get your coffee filter and you need to flatten it down like this. And then get your markers, and you can use any color that you want. You're going to draw a circle around your coffee filter. So I picked pink and I'm going to draw a circle around the inside of my coffee filter, kind of like this. And I'm making it thick, right? Not just one line like that. I want it to be kind of thick so that there's a lot of ink down there. I'm doing this on my wax paper so it doesn't go through to my table underneath. Okay, so I did one thick line of pink. All right, I'm gonna do another one too, and this one I will do in red and purple. Okay, now if you do two colors, you need to leave some room in between. So here's my purple line, purple circle, and I'm gonna make that nice and thick. And then for my red circle, I'm gonna leave, not right next to it, but I'm gonna leave some space and go out like this, okay? Okay, so now I have both of my coffee filters with my marker circles, and then I'm going to get my water and I'm gonna pour in a little bit of water into both. Now, it's not a lot of water, but you do want the whole coffee filter to get wet, and make sure you're doing this on your wax paper, okay? It's about, if you take a spoon, it's about 2 spoonfuls worth. And then you're just gonna make sure that that gets nice and wet, and then you can kind of flatten the paper to help it touch all that water. All right. And then you can do that to the next one too. I would just leave this in the same spot and move your wax paper. Okay, so you don't want to take it off of the wax paper. You'll do that to the next one, just about 1, 2 spoonfuls of water. Flatten out your paper like that. And you can already see the color starting to move through the coffee filter using the water, okay? Now your job is just to leave it there overnight and have it dry. Okay, so after your paper is dry, it's gonna look something like this. Yours will look different if you use different colors. So now what you need to do is imagine a line going from one side of the circle to the very center, and you're just going to really gently tear just to the center. Don't go all the way across, okay? You need to tear all the way to the center. It's okay if it's not perfectly straight. Mine's not that straight, but I'm just gonna go a little bit into the center, okay? And then you're gonna use this to make your flower. So you kind of start at one end and you just make a circle. So I have my hand underneath and I'm holding it and I'm kind of making it like that. And I'm holding with my other finger at the bottom as I roll this around to make my flower. And there's the flower at the end. Isn't that pretty? Now you can just kind of twist the bottom part here to get it to stay. And there you go, right? If you want, you can use a little bit of tape to tape that end so that it stays closed, but you don't really need to. And if you have pipe cleaners, you could even use a green pipe cleaner to make a stem so you can put it in a vase. I'm just gonna leave mine like this for now. All right, I hope you have fun with this. I would love to see a picture of your flowers. Bye.